Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to search for YouTube playlist on your favorite topic. Open your favorite browser. Go to youtube.com. In the search bar at the top, enter your search query and hit search. YouTube suggests relevant videos based on your search query. Now, instead of videos, let's say if you want to find the playlist that has videos on this topic. To find that, click the filter icon at the top. A dialog box pops up. Here, under Type section, select Playlist option. As you can see, search results will now only include playlists that has videos on this topic. Click on View Playlist to view relevant videos based on your search query. Similarly, you can find playlists for other search queries on YouTube. Thank you for watching.